System crash? Upgrading your PC? A Windows 10 bootable USB is your digital lifeline. I'll show you how to make one in under 5 minutes. No tech degree required. Let's get started. Prerequisites. Before we start, you need a blank USB drive, 8 GB plus, a working Windows PC or Mac, internet connection to download Windows 10. Step 1. Download Windows 10 or Windows 11 ISO. Visit Microsoft website, download Media Creation Tools. Choose Windows from list you want, create bootable USB drive. After download tools, insert USB drive to PC or laptop USB port. And now run the tool and select Create Installation Media. What do you want to do? Choose Create Installation Media option and press Next button. Select Language Architecture and Edition and press Next button. Choose which media to use. Select USB flash drive and press Next button. Make sure your USB drive properly connected to USB port. Select USB drive and press Next button. Getting a few things ready. Wait until process going on. Downloading Windows. Now relax and wait until process done. This may take 5 to 10 minutes, depends on your internet speed. Your USB flash drive is ready. Now press Finish button. Setup is cleaning up before closed. And after cleaning process done, remove your Windows 10 USB drive. Now you can proceed for installation. Now you're ready for any PC disaster. Keep this USB safe. If this saved you hours of stress, don't forget like, share and subscribe for more tech rescues. Thanks for watching.